What's up, guys? What if I told you 25,000 could turn into over $150,000 in just 10 years? That's the power of compounding at 20% a year. Having the right technology behind you, such as SuperFinancialTrader Holy Grail signals, it will definitely help you minimize risk while you increase your profit. On average, many people find it very difficult for them to minimize risk. That's one of the key reasons why many people are not performing very well. The goal of every investor is to beat the market. Having a powerful trading system that's compute over 2.1 billion data points in order for it to put you in the right trade. You can actually master the financial market by taking training classes so you can actually have the knowledge yourself in order for you to monitor and manage your own portfolio. With $25,000, most broker-dealer will actually give you a 4-to-1 margin. You will be able to trade over 100,000 based on the broker-dealer. But what's more important is you will be able to acquire knowledge that you can transfer to your future generation or your current children right now. Imagine many people at the age of 25 being able to compound the knowledge that they acquire through SuperFinancialTrader training. You have the power within you to accumulate wealth. Many times, most people transfer their responsibility by having other people invest their own money just to not make the return they were supposed to make. You have it in you to acquire your own knowledge to take control of your own future. With SuperFinancialTrader training, we actually help you to master the stock market while also help you minimizing your risks. With a portfolio that can actually withstand different market conditions, that type of knowledge will definitely help you grow. Whether you are 18, 20, 25, it's very important to understand by the time you're 67 years old or 72, it's not necessary for you to have to work at McDonald's or even at Walmart to make up the difference. You should prepare for your future right now. If you are a person that's 40 or even 50 years old, take control of your knowledge. Take control of your future. The knowledge you acquire can be transferred no matter where you go. As long as you have high-speed internet access, you should be able to leverage the financial market. With over 1 million different securities that are traded, imagine how many penny stocks that has a market capital of over $1 billion that you can actually participate in, especially if you're at the age of 18, 20, 25. Your future is await you. Take control of your future and understand that the right training with the right resources definitely would give you the edge. I believe in you. Let's do it.